Hi, third graders, we're back and we're going to talk about place value today. So let's go ahead and get started, okay? All right, I've got some blanks here and I've got some decimal numbers over here and I've got whole numbers over here. So let's talk about whole numbers first, okay? We've learned that the first number in front of the decimal, so if there is no decimal, the number all the way to the right is our ones place. Okay, so any number in here is our ones. So if I have a 7 in there, there are 7 ones, okay? All right, then we go to our tens place, okay? So if I had this number, I have 5 ones and 7 tens. All right, so then after that, we move on to hundreds. Okay, so I'll put a number in there. And this tells me I have 5 ones, 7 tens, and 3 hundreds. Okay? Okay, and that comma tells us we've entered a new set, and here we have thousand. Oops. We have our thousands place. Okay, so if I put a number in here, then I can see again, then I have 5 ones, 7 tens, 3 hundreds, and 5 thousands. Okay, and it continues the pattern on here. When this comma, we have 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s, and then a comma again. And we do that pattern again for millions. Okay, but we're just going to go to thousands today. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands. All right, so now we need to talk about on the decimal. Okay, so on the other side of the decimal, it follows this pattern over here with a couple key changes. The first change is there's no ones place over here, okay? Because all decimal numbers end in TH, okay? They end in TH. Okay, or THS. All right, so I always tell my kids if there was ones over here, it'd be once, and that sounds silly, so we don't have once. Okay, so like I said, we're going to follow the same pattern. Okay, so we don't have once. Remember, no once. So we start here with tenths. So it's tenths, and then we add that ending. Okay, so what do you think this place is going to be? You got it. We're following that pattern, so it's hundredths. We add that TH to it. Okay, so if you were a guessing person, what do you think the next place would be? You've got it. Thousandths. Okay, and we notice the key difference here. No ones. And they all have THS, okay? So after this, we tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So I'm going to put a few numbers in here. Which number is in the tenths place? You got it, the 9, okay? Which number is in the thousandths place? You got it, the 6. Very good. I'm going to write a number up here. And you get to tell me what number is in the place that I asked for. What number is in the thousands place? The thousands. You got it, the 1. What number is in the ones place? Oh, yes, you're right. The 7. Good job. One more. What number is in the tenths place? Tenths. You got it, the 8, because I heard that on the end. Very good, third graders. Okay, so let's talk about these again. To the right of the decimal, starting at the right, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, to the left of the... No, I said that wrong. To the left of the decimal are our whole numbers. To the right of our decimal, okay? Remember, no ones, but they all have TH. So we start here and we go backwards. And we go to the right. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Okay, third graders. You did great. We will see you tomorrow.